All right, my friends, here we are again. So you should be on this page watching this video, but I wanted to point out that you are going to click on that link to complete this reading interest survey. This is just for me to get to know you as a reader, what you like, what you don't like, what you like to read about, things like that. So when you click on that link, it'll take you to this survey. I'm going to walk you through the questions just to make sure you understand what I'm asking. Please answer the questions honestly. It helps me to get to know you and be a better teacher for you. Notice it is recording your email address, and then I'm also asking you to include your name. So, what types of books do you like to read? This could be genres like fantasy or historical fiction. Maybe you really like to read nonfiction books about cars or whales. So just tell me a little bit about what types of books. Maybe graphic novels, maybe picture books. Nothing wrong with that. I love picture books. So, what types of books do you like to read? What types of books do you not like to read? Now, this doesn't mean we'll never read these kinds of books, but it's just good for me to know. Maybe you really don't like graphic novels. Maybe you don't like history books. Maybe you don't like fantasy books. Just go ahead and tell me what types of books are not ones that you usually choose. What is your favorite book and why is it your favorite? Maybe it's the same book you told me about in your Flipgrid video. Maybe it's a different one. Just a little bit about why you like it. Do you think you are a good reader? Why or why not? No wrong answer. I'm curious what you think. Maybe what teachers have told you or what your parents or your friends say. I'm just curious what you think about yourself. What is easy about reading for you? Think of something that's easy, maybe certain words, maybe when there are pictures, maybe short books, maybe understanding the story. Then the next one, what is hard about reading for you? So maybe new vocabulary words, maybe nonfiction books are really hard. Maybe understanding books you read in school, like the benchmark books, is hard for you. If you could read about any topic, what would it be? What kind of things do you like to read about? Anything in the world, any topic. If you could read about any person, who would it be? So probably like a famous person, maybe in history, maybe alive today. Do you read when you are not in school? Again, there's no right or wrong answer. Lying doesn't help me to understand you. So honestly, when you're not in school, do you read? Why? Why not? Okay, why do you like to read or why do you not pick up books? Maybe you read because your parents make you. Maybe you really like fun books. Maybe you don't read because you don't have books. So just go ahead and tell me whether you read or not. Do you have any books at home? Yes or no? And then what is something that you want to get better at with reading? Don't tell me nothing. We all have areas in which we can get better. We all can learn more. I keep learning more. I keep learning more words. Reading is something that's out there in the world. So what is something that you want to get better at? And then just submit it. Again, just do your best and let me know what you think so that I can make this year as good as possible for us all. Have fun!